Field maintenance, we have a lot of positions. There's a lot of things to learn. There's a lot of different places to go. If you're looking for security, a place to move up, a place to start your career, it's a great place. My name is Isaac Escabedo. I've worked at Den now for almost 18 years. My favorite part about Den is all the people here. I mean, you got all different walks of life here, old people, young people. I mean, just the people you meet is great. And I got a lot of friends that I've met and that I still am friends with, even though they've left Den.
My name is Nicole Jackson. I am an EO2 heavy equipment operator. With the city of Denver, you can branch out to anywhere. I came from parks and I wound up at the airport. My favorite thing at Den is working with the heavy equipment. It's just fun. It is incredibly fun.
Armando Gomez. I've worked at Den for about 9 years. At Den, I like operating the equipment. When I started as an EO. Now I'm in the second position, which is the EO2, and there's a lot of room for growth here, so the sky's the limit.